What's up, squad? It's your boy Trey. Welcome back to the Daddy Seed channel. If you've been here before, thanks for rocking out with us. And if it's your first time here, do me a quick favor, hit that notification bell down below so you can stay on top of our content as we drop it. All right, y'all. So now that that's out of the way, I want to get into today's topic at hand. The end of 2023, beginning of 2024 has been kind of slow in the sneaker cycle, right? Things have been dropping, but not like crazy hype. That pace that we had in like November, December slowed down. It's been really quiet. And the sneaker market kind of thawed a decent amount. So prices on some things, you may have missed on or passed up, whatever, back in the day or a little while back, you were able to circle back and grab some things. And that's just what I did. So one pair that got away that I was really excited to, try to cop, I was able to grab the Nike Kobe Protro Gift of Mamba. You see that Nike Mamba box with the Mamba print, right? Snake print on the box itself with the Kobe logo. Got the label. And then let's get into the shoe itself. Basic Kobe box, nice and clean. And we're talking about this beauty right here. Whew. Such a mean and just a minimalistic type sneaker, but like really, really dope. Just a lot of nice detail in this shoe right here. Get the other one out. All right, so the Kobe 4 Protro Gift of Mamba. Now, I'm gonna say this, right? I've always been a big Kobe sneaker fan, Kobe fan in general, and have hit on very minimal since 2020. Missed on the Mambasita 6s, missed on, what else we have after that? We had the GG4s, then we had the Halo 8s, and then we had Reverse Grinch. So the Reverse Grinch was the first pair I've hit on since 2020. These guys here, hit on those on sneakers, on the shop drop. Yes, sir. Love this shoe as well. And then, had to go ahead and pay a little tax for these guys. And I'm gonna tell you what, this shoe is mean, and I think honestly, these two are probably the two, well, the Mambacitas are really dope. Mambasita 6s are dope. But the two next to those best releases since, Kobe's, passing and everything. And since this new partnership has been done up with Vanessa Bryant. So really, really happy to get my hands on both of these pairs. Very iconic, very, just essential to the collection. Like I said, big Kobe fan, a lot of Kobe pairs. Happy to get those. All right, so anyway, enough of that. Just wanted to talk about that because, I was able to hit on those. But this shoe is just really, really clean. I mean, it's monochromatic, right? Just all black, top to bottom. And again, that gives to, lends to Kobe's stealthiness. Like think about the Black Mamba. It's just a vicious snake that just attacks, it's stealthy. It takes its time and then it strikes, right? And that's, his whole Mamba mentality and the way he moved on the court. Love that guy, man, as a player, just an overall great person. And the shoe, they did something totally different with it on the Kobe 4s, and this is all nubuck and suede, right? So even this snake print on these black panels around the shoe itself, you got it around the toe strap, you got it on the swoosh, you got it around the ankle collar, and on the medial swoosh as well. But that's a suede that they basically kind of like a heat press to put that snake print on the suede, which is just dope. I mean, it's a really dope effect. You get like a sheen to it a little bit, like a little shine. And then you've got this nice nubuck suede all on the rest of the upper of the shoe. Just really like quality feel to the shoe overall. You got the 24 embossed in the back, right? Or debossed, I'm sorry. Debossed because that goes in. You got the heel counter, which is iconic, like that super hard plastic heel counter. You got the Kobe signature on this shoe on the right. So put that up here. But the Kobe signature on the right heel counter. And then you got like a mesh on this tongue because you want that, you know, it's really breathable. You know, your foot's not getting hot in there. And they do give you synthetic on this top where the Kobe logo is, the Mamba logo. I don't know why they didn't just do that in leather as well, but I don't know, maybe for durability and sweating and things like that. You're playing ball, you don't want leather there. Maybe it's more breathable, I'm not sure. Tongue's not super padded, but it is soft. You got a black sock liner, black insole with the Mamba logo. Nothing fancy in there, just a straight Mamba logo. And then on the bottom, you got this Kobe 4 traction tread pattern throughout. You've got the carbon fiber in the middle of the foot. So that's so, you know, it's only right in the very middle so your foot doesn't twist. But the rest of the foot, you know, you get good flexibility. And you've got a foam midsole. And of course, you got the Zoom Air that's inside the sole here. Now, I think in the original Kobe 4s, I feel like I read that there was a full-length Zoom Air, but I could be wrong. But I know the sole, like the front of this sole is, you know, is going to be like giving you more of what they did with the Kobe 6, kind of similar. But yeah, just overall, man, first impressions on this shoe, I loved it from jump. Just a clean shoe, not a whole lot to say. It's all black, you know, and you know, we get that like the Air Force One energy. But it's not, because this shoe is a big step up from like a black Air Force One, because there's so many detail. Like the snake print just elevates this shoe on a lot of levels for me. You got all kinds of perforations for ventilation around the shoe, and again that mesh tongue. So this is like a good, I mean, great shoe to ball in. But for me, you know, it's lifestyle. And Kobe 4s. I go true to size. So typically like in the 6s, I had to go up a half a size because they will cramp your toes. But in the 4s, you get more toe space. So necessarily you don't have to go up half size, full size. You know, again, all Kobe's are made to ball in, so they will stretch out a little bit, you know, if you play ball in them. But I'm not playing ball. I mean, you know, if I wear these, I don't know, 5 times a year or more, you know, that's a lot. But I'm not gonna be stretching out anything, so I want them to be comfortable from the jump. But anyway, my rating on this shoe is dope, man. This is a 10. I mean, this is as mean and lean as you're gonna get. Kobe 4, dope pair. Only other 4s, I mean, I do like the undefeated 4s. They had like a white midsole though. And I do prefer this black midsole. I think the black midsole on this is just dope. So let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Did you cop it? You know, let me know if that ended up in your collection for the year. But it's one I'm glad I snagged. Now I can move on 2024, off to a great start. And yeah, we'll see what else we got coming, y'all. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.